Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll do the Math No Calculator section of the May 2021 EST, that is the Egyptian Scholastic Test. So let's begin. Question 1, if 2x minus 3y is 14 and minus x plus 2y is negative 8, what is the value of x plus y? So 2x minus 3y is 14 and minus x plus 2y is negative 8. So we need to find x plus y, right? So if I, let me see, if I subtract these two, what will I get? 3x minus 5y, so that doesn't help me. And if I add them, I get x minus y. So that also doesn't help me. Okay, so let's just find the individual values. So let's multiply this by 2. So I'll get negative 2x plus 4y is negative 16. And let's add this and this. So I get y is negative 2, right? And if y is negative 2, then from this equation, I get minus x minus 4 is minus 8. So minus x is minus 4, so x is 4. So x plus y is 2. Which of the following is equivalent to this expression? Okay, so 4a square minus 9 plus 2a minus 3 into a minus 1 plus 3 times 2a minus 3. So 4a square minus 9 plus 2a minus 3, I'm taking common from these two. So a minus 1 plus 3. So 4a squared minus 9 plus 2a minus 3 times a plus 2. Okay, and even this I can write as 2a plus 3 times 2a minus 3. And this is 2a minus 3 times a plus 2. So again, I take 2a minus 3 common. So I get 2a plus 3 plus a plus 2. So that's 2a minus 3 times 3a plus 5. So 2a minus 3 times 3a plus 5, option A. For I equal to square root of negative 1, what is the equivalent of this? 2i minus 3 by I minus 5. Okay, so I'll just write it in the proper form. Minus 3 plus 2i divided by minus 5 plus I. And then multiply the numerator and denominator with the complement of the denominator. Minus 5 minus I. So 15 plus 3i minus 10i minus 2i squared. So that's plus 2. And 25 minus I squared, so plus 1. So 15 plus 2, 17 minus 7i by 26. So 17 minus 7i by 26, option C. Question 4, the Born number B0 or Yott's number is a formula used in fluid dynamics that shows the importance of gravitational forces compared to surface tension forces. To find the bond formula, to find the bond number, we apply this formula. What is D in terms of? Okay, so B0 is rho G D squared over sigma. So D squared is B0 sigma over rho G. So D is square root of B0 sigma over rho G. B0 sigma over rho G, so B. If minus 1 by 2x minus 1 is root 3, what is the value of 6x? Okay, so minus 1 by 2x minus 1 is root 3. So I can say 2x minus 1 by negative 1 is 1 by root 3. So 2x minus 1 is minus 1 by root 3. So 2x is 1 minus 1 by root 3, which is root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So x is, we have to find 6x. So 6x would be this multiplied by 3. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3. So this becomes root 3 times root 3 minus 1. So 3 minus root 3. 3 minus root 3, C. What is the slope of the line shown in the graph? Okay, so we are given 1 point, 1 comma 0.5, and we don't really have another point. Let's try and see if we can find a grid point. So I think this might be a grid point. 1, 2, 3, minus 3, comma 1, 2, minus 3, comma 4, right? So the slope will be 0.5 minus 4 by 4. So that would be minus 3.5 by 4. So that's minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8, option B. Okay. What is the equation of the line passing through this point and perpendicular to the graphed line? So something like this, right? So let's say that this line is D. So the slope of this line was minus 7 by 8. So the slope of this line would be 8 by 7 because perpendicular line slopes are negative reciprocals of one another, right? So the only option with 8 by 7 as the slope is option D. So that's the answer. Using the figure below, what is the circumference of the circle with center E and passing through point F? Okay. So let's see, how can we find this? Okay, so this is my radius, right? And this is 2 units, this distance. And this distance is also 2 units. So R will be 2 root 2, right? By Pythagoras theorem. So circumference is 2 pi R, which is 2 pi into 2 root 2. So that's 4 pi root 2. Option C. If minus 1 by 2x is this, which of the following is the greatest value of x? Minus 1 by 2x is x minus 3 by 4. So minus 4 is 2x squared minus 6x. So actually we could have cancelled this 2 here. So instead of this, we can say minus 2 is x squared minus 3x. So x squared minus 3x plus 2 is 0. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 is 0. So x is 1 or 2. And both 1 and 2 are solutions of this, right? No problem. So the greater value of x would be 2. Option A. If 9 to the power 2x minus 1 is this, what is the value of this? Okay, so 9 to the power 2x minus 1 is 3 to the power 8. So 9 is 3 square into 2x minus 1 is 3 to the power 8. So 4x minus 2 is 8, right? So, right, so 4x is 10. So x is 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. Okay, so x is 5 by 2. So 2x minus 5 is 2 into 5 by 2 minus 5, which is 0. So B. If the sum of half a number and 3 is smaller than twice the same number added to 3, which of the following could be the number? So let the number be x. Sum of half a number and 3 is smaller than twice the same number added to 3. Which of the following could be the number? So x by 2 minus 2x should be less than 0. So that's 2x minus 4x should be negative. So minus 5x should be negative. So x should be positive. Which of the following could be that number? So x needs to be greater than 0. So 1. 12, given 3 consecutive even integers, if the sum of the first and 3 times the third is 20, what is the sum of the 3 integers? Okay, so let the even integers be a minus 2, a and a plus 2. The sum of the first, a minus 2, and 3 times the third is 20. What is the sum of the 3? Okay, so a minus 2 plus 3a plus 6 is 20. So 4a plus 4 is 20. So 4a is 16. So a is 4. So the numbers are 2, 4, and 6. So their sum is 12. Yeah. What is the range of this function? F of x is x squared plus 4x minus 3. So that's x squared plus 2x into 2 plus 2 squared minus 2 squared minus 3. So this 3 terms, they will become x plus 2 the whole squared minus 4 minus 3. So x plus 2 the whole squared minus 7. So we basically converted the quadratic to the vertex form. Now x plus 2 whole square is greater than equal to 0. So x plus 2 whole squared minus 7 is greater than equal to minus 7. So the range is from minus 7 to infinity, right? So t. In the figure below, AB is 7, AB is 7, DC is 13, DC is 13, and tan C is 2 root 6 by 13. So tan C is AD by DC. So this would be 2 root 6. Okay, what is the dimension of segment BC? Right, so first we can find BD. BD will be square root of 7 squared minus 2 root 6 squared by Pythagoras theorem. So that's 49 minus 4 into 6, 24. So that's 5. BD is 5. So BC would be 13 minus 5, 8. If xy is a positive integer and xz is a negative integer, which of the following is true? Okay. So xy is positive and xz is negative, right? So let's say x is positive, then y is positive and z is negative. And if x is negative, then y is negative and z is positive, right? So these are the possibilities. So y into z is always negative, right? Because they are always opposite signs. So this is wrong. xy minus xz is always positive. So x times y minus z. Okay, so when x is positive, y minus z is positive. So yes. And y minus z, when x is negative, y minus z is also negative. Yeah, so this is true. And xyz is always negative. Positive, positive, negative, yes. Negative, negative, positive. So xyz is negative, is positive here and negative. So this is not true. So only 2 is true. 16. Given fx is 2x squared 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, and gx is minus 3x plus 5. What is the value of f o g negative 2? So that's f of g negative 2. So let's first find g of negative 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So then I need to find f of 11. So 2 times 11 squared minus 3 times 11 plus 1. So 121 into 2. 121 into 2. 2 ones are 2. 242 minus 33 plus 1. So 243 minus 33. 243 minus 33. 210. So that's the answer. Joanne is a saleswoman in a TV store. Her salary is 1,300 Egyptian pounds per month, in addition to 10 Egyptian pounds for each TV she sells if the quantity sold is less than or equal to 10 TVs per month. If she sells more than 10 TVs in 1 month, she will get an extra bonus of 10% of her initial salary. Last November, she sold 12 TVs. What was her salary at the end of the month? So 12 TVs is more than 10 TVs. So that means she gets initial salary plus 10% of her initial salary, right? So 1,300 plus 130. So 0, 3, so 1430. That's how much she got. The function hx has zeros at x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 1. What is the value of a? Okay, so if it has zeros at x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 1, then hx can be written as x minus 3 times x plus 1. And this is x squared minus ax minus 3. So x squared minus 3x plus minus 2x minus 3 is x squared minus ax minus 3. So by comparing, a becomes 2. Using the figure below, what is the value of x? Okay, so this is the exterior angle. So it has to be the sum of the interior opposite angles. So x plus 22 should be x plus 4 plus 2x minus 3, right? So that is 3x plus 1. So x minus 3x is minus 2x. 1 minus 22 is minus 21. So x is 21 by 2, which is 10.5. So 10.5. Right? 3x plus 1. So minus 2x is, yeah. What is the abscissa of the vertex of the function? So abscissa is the x coordinate. And the x coordinate of the vertex is minus b by 2a. So that's minus of negative 18 by 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So that's 18 by 6. So that's 3. Okay, so let's create this. This is the May 2021 NoCal. CACBC, CACBC, 6 BDCAB, BDCAB, 11 ABDBB, ABDBB, 16 210 1430, 210 1430, 2 10.53, 2 10.53. Okay, great. So we got all correct. Hope this was useful. If it helped, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.